There are concerns that fish sanctuaries may be under threat due to an increase in the number of part-time fisherfolk. Stakeholders are therefore calling for more stringent rules to prevent the fish stock from being depleted. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
COVID-19 has forced many to tap into different skill sets. One such area, fishing. A representative of the Jamaica Fishermen Cooperative Branch in Orocabessa, St. Mary, is also reporting an uptick in sales. Things like hooks, lines, and nets. It's no wonder places such as the Orocabessa Fish Sanctuary and the Boscobel Special Fishing Conservation Area in St. Mary are seeing a number of new faces.
We're realizing that violations have increased inside the marine protected area due to everyone now taking up a line or some type of fishing apparatus to enter the sea.
The place gets overpopulated now. A lot of fishermen, divers and everybody just want some food. The fish can't even get to breed properly because them breed, the gunman in them, the line man in them, the fish pot man in them, So you get overfished then.
Due to the fact that our operations have cut significantly, my warnings are we are unable to man the area ideally 24 hours. And so once there are loopholes or gaps between shifts, then these persons, what they do, they use this opportunity to invade the protected area. And as such, we have been doing surveys within our organization where we are seeing where there is a huge depletion in what we've achieved over the past 7 years. That is not good.
Jarlene Lane, the manager of the Sandals Boscobel Special Fishing Conservation Area, says their funding has been cut by roughly 50%. She's therefore calling for stricter rules and regulations to govern the fisheries sector.
I do believe that if we can put a cap somewhat on the night spearfishing, then we can have more productivity and more biodiversity within our protected area.
Due to the closure of the conch industry, government-funded fish sanctuaries have not been receiving their full budgetary allocation. Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Audley Shaw recently indicated to Parliament that the government has to find a way to provide support to fish sanctuaries. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.